welcome back to Auto Dive, where we take you deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a vehicle that doesn't just raise the bar, it is the bar. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 S-Class, it's clear this car was built to command attention. The front grille is bolder than ever, with sharper LED digital light headlamps that give it a futuristic, almost spaceship-like presence. The sleek body lines, flowing roofline, and flush door handles all contribute to its ultra-premium aesthetic. Mercedes has managed to blend elegance and aggression in a way that very few can. Under the hood, the new S-Class offers a range of powerful and efficient engines. The base model is rumored to carry a refined inline-six with mild hybrid technology, producing smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. For those craving more performance, a V8-powered S580 variant is expected, and possibly even a plug-in hybrid or full electric version down the line, aligning with Mercedes' vision for a more sustainable future. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of a sanctuary. Mercedes has pushed the boundaries of luxury tech with their second-generation M-Bux infotainment system. The massive OLED central display floats beautifully in the center console, while the 3D digital instrument cluster gives drivers a customizable, futuristic experience. Every surface is draped in premium leather, wood, and metal finishes, each detail meticulously crafted. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with individual climate zones, reclining seats, and available entertainment screens. The 2026 S-Class also comes with next-level driver assistance systems. Mercedes is leading the charge toward autonomous driving with features like Drive Pilot, which can handle highway driving in certain conditions with minimal input from the driver. Safety features are enhanced with intelligent sensors, adaptive cruise control, active lane assist, and even the ability to detect and react across traffic before you even notice it. Ride comfort remains one of the S-Class's strongest assets. Thanks to the latest air suspension and road scanning cameras, the ride is silky smooth regardless of terrain. Mercedes engineers have created a cabin so quiet, you'll forget you're even moving. All in all, the 2026 Mercedes S-Class is more than just a car, it's a statement of luxury, innovation, and timeless class. It continues to set the standard for what a flagship sedan should be, blending cutting-edge tech with old-school opulence. If you're looking for the ultimate in comfort, performance, and futuristic design, the new S-Class should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think of this next-gen masterpiece. This is Auto Dive, and we'll catch you in the next one.